Hi everyone, happy Tappin Tuesday. This week we have an exercise for my level 1 people. Hi level 1 people. So in this Tappin Tuesday, we are going to be doing some flaps and flap ball changes. If you happen to look at last week's Never Too Late Tapping Tuesday, you're basically doing the same exact exercise, except we are going to take away those pauses and just kind of run everything together. So instead of doing flap, 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 ball change, you're going to go flap, 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 ball change, flap, 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 ball change. Okay, let me turn sideways. We're going to review what a flap is first. So a flap is a brush followed by a step. Okay, so you have to change your weight. That brush is just the toes hitting the floor. The step is the ball of the foot. The other foot comes off the floor. If you're doing this, that's not a flap. That's what I call a slap, S-L-A-P. We're doing flaps, F-L-A-P, which means you have to change your weight. You have to step on it. Okay, so we are going to do 2 flaps starting with the right foot. Flap, flap. All right, let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, flap, flap. From here, we are going to do a flap ball change. So you do flap, flap, flap ball change. 5, 6, 7, 8, flap, flap, flap ball change. All right, so your ball change, remember, ball of the foot, change of weight. It can happen on either all toes or the ball of the foot and then a flat foot. That's kind of a choreographer's choice. For right now, do whatever feels best to you. So we do flap, flap, flap ball change. Then we do the same thing starting on the left side. So that's going to be flap, flap, flap ball change. Okay, now this is going to move forward a little bit. I'm trying to make sure I'm staying within my, you can see my feet on the camera view here, but I had to adjust some things so that I have room to move a little bit here too. I'm trying not to move too much because I don't have that much room. If you're doing this at home, you probably don't have much room either, but just know this is a step, a combination that could really travel, could get you across the stage very easily. So starting with that right foot. Flap, 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 ball change, flap, 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 ball change. 5, 6, 7, 8, and flap, 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 ball change, flap, 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 ball change. Okay, let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, 8. Okay, actually we should count to 4 because that's what musicians do. I have some old dancer habits from taking jazz and ballet where I count to 8 as well. But technically tap dancers are musicians, so you really should count just the float to 4. So that would be 5, 6, 7, 8, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. From here, you're going to do 2 flat ball changes in a row. Flap, ball change, flap, ball change. And then you are going to repeat that little first section on just the right side. Flap, 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 ball change. Okay, so let's take it from the top. You have 5, 6, 7, 8. Flap, 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 ball change, flap, 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 ball change. Flap, ball change, flap, ball change, flap, 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 ball change. Okay, from here we do the same thing again, but now we start on the left foot. So let's break that down on the left. You're going to do 2 flaps and a flat ball change, 2 flaps and a flat ball change, 2 flat ball changes, 2 flaps and a flat ball change. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Flap, 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 ball change. Flap, 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 ball change. Flap, ball change. Flap, ball change. Flap, 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 ball change. All right, let's try to do it right and left together. Take a deep breath, relax. You've got this. Starting with that right foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. Flap, 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 ball change. Flap, 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 ball change. Flap, ball change, flap, ball change, flap, 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 ball change. Flap, 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 ball change. Flap, flap, fall lap, fall change, fall lap, fall change, fall lap, fall change, fall lap, fall lap, fall lap, fall change. Okay, make sure you're picking up those feet. Make sure when you're prepping for your flap, you don't want to bend the knee here and do that. You want to think about picking the foot up kind of to the front. Keep those knees up. One more time. This time we'll go with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. A 1, a 2, a 3. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. Fall lap, fall lap, fall lap. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. Five, 6, 7, 8. Fall lap, fall lap, fall lap, fall change. Fall lap, fall lap, fall lap, fall change. Fall lap, fall change, fall lap, fall change. Fall lap, fall lap, fall lap, fall change. Fall lap, fall lap, fall lap, fall change. Fall lap, fall lap, fall change. Fall lap, fall change. Fall lap, fall change. Fall lap, fall lap, fall lap, fall change.